Imagine your life as a rom-com movie. You believe love should feel like a romantic movie scene and you're waiting for your SRK moment with big violence in the background. That's Liz in our book. But the twist. Her love story doesn't follow the script. And that is what makes it even more Bollywood. Liz has always dreamed of this guy who was her, childhood crush and named Michael. And Michael was the guy when he's tall, he's charming, the hero material, the Mr. Perfect. But he was that kind of guy who is like the guy for which every Bollywood heroine or every Bollywood actress falls for in the first half of the movie.
A few moments later.
But wait. Every movie needs a twist, right? Enter Wes Bennett. Oh, my favorite of all time. He's a cutie. He's a pookie. Whatever you call him. I have no judgment for him. Because he was so charming in that book. And you don't know whether whether she will end up with Michael or with Wes, because both of them feels like, oh my god, I want this one, or oh my god, I want that one. He teases her, he annoys her, he steals her parking spot just for fun. In Liz's eyes, he's the villain. Obviously, enemies to lovers vibe, right? Actually, she was like, let me make a deal with you. You will help me get the Michael, get the crush of my heart. Sounds simple. No. Right? Now we have these scenes in the movies like long car rides, my most favorite scenes in this movies, and the chagda of them. And apart from that, like the Karan Johar feels when we when they are going to prom preparation, that feels like a Karan Johar movie's wedding scene. Those tiny accidental moments when Wes stopped being annoying and we are like, oh my god, is he the one? You know where this is going, right? Here's the real Bollywood twist. Liz starts realizing, what if I am not falling for this guy and this guy Michael, and what if I don't want the scripted love but the chaos one. Love is not about who looks perfect for you or with you. Love is all about who feels perfect for you. Is the filmy heroine in all of us, like dreamy, romantic, delusional. And Wes is a practical guy, you can see. He's the hero in disguise. He looks like the annoying character in the first half, but in the end, you will feel that, oh my god, this is the SRK of us. So would I recommend this book? Absolutely. If you like Bollywood rom-coms movie, it's like playing a movie in your head. You're imagining the scenes, or everything seems real in this book, and yes, it is better than the movies. In this review, I didn't talk too much to you guys because, as I always say to you, this was the book I have read in the past, so I clearly remember the exact story. That's why I can't elaborate the whole scene, give you a mindset to read that particular book. But for these two books, first one, the Murakami, I have done already, and this one better than the movies. Now next I am going to do, I don't know what book, but whatever book I'll pick, I'll let you know, guys. Okay, bye then. Fan. Everybody is around you. You should feel like a blah 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 blah. Song, every mood, every song, every mood. क्या होता है? Imagine your life as a better than the. भूल गई क्या?